old and tired. Contrary to popular opinion, they are not turned into taxi cabs in Marrakesh. Actually, one of the ways to get rid of an old stalker is the Destruction Derby, a uniquely American way to work off your frustrations. Backing into your opponents guarantees your car a longer life than if you smashed with your front end. Remember that next time you're on the freeway. The object of a seemingly madcap diversion is to remain running the longest by smashing the other guy to smithereens first.